everybody, welcome back. If you saw my last video, I was trying to make a vase out of a piece of cedar I had laying around. Put some Milliput in there, and it took a while for it to harden up because it's a little bit cold in my shop. But it seems to be hardened up now, and we're gonna go ahead and try to finish that up. If you didn't see the last video, I'll put a link up here to watch that one first. All right, so let's just go ahead and jump into it, man. I went up to 220. I'm gonna hit it with some denatured alcohol, and then hit it again with the 220, and then maybe some 320 or something, and we'll see how it looks. All right, the white Milliput looks like it picked up a little bit of the red, like when I was sanding it, but it looks cool. I like it. I sanded it up to 220. I put not mineral spirits, denatured alcohol on it to raise the grain. I hit it again with 220, up to 320. I burnished it with some sawdust. That cracked. I was really happy how it filled out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit it with some sanding sealer. Okay, let's apply some sanding sealer. Can you guys see that? Put some abrasive polish on here. Cut this off and start hollowing it. All right, I got it finished up enough where I think it's ready to take the actual finish on there. I'm gonna do a spray lacquer. I'm gonna do a spray lacquer on it. I'm gonna cut it off first, put it on. I got a little stand I put it on, and I'm gonna do a spray lacquer. I'm gonna come in here, cut some of this away, cut the bottom. So let's go ahead and get that done.
Everybody just eats it up, man. Eats it up.
I drilled a little recess to set my emblem. Put some CA glue in here. Like a medium CA. A good amount. Let that dry.
I cleaned everything off, I blew everything off, I let my fan run for like 20 minutes. Now I'm back. I'm going to start applying spray lacquer. So here we go. Well, here it is. The Cedar Vase. Got the white Milliput. It was old. The Milliput was old. So, and every time I put like denatured alcohol on it, it seems to kind of soften it up again and kind of absorb the red. It's cool though. It's nice. I'm gonna give you guys close-ups in a minute. I love the shape. I love the friggin' grain in here. It's beautiful, man. The cedar does not disappoint. I made it a faux, what I call a faux vase. I drilled it out. It's not actually hollowed out here. I just drilled it out as far as I could get in, and I just kind of tapered the top there. I'm not super thrilled with the finish. I bought a new kind of a spray. I'm looking for the can. A new spray lacquer. I'm gonna let it cure for a couple days, see if I can like buff it out or something. I'm not totally thrilled with it, but all in all, it really came out pretty nice. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Here it is. The vase. I put my little emblem on the bottom. It's actually cracked here. Not cracked, but like where the bark was, where I filled it. You know, I didn't see that until after I cut it, obviously. I might do something with that. But very, very happy with the way it came out. Again, thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.
Shut up and sit down.